Here in the automated hatchery, life begins its delicate journey. From a tiny egg, a new life emerges. An incredible journey is about to begin.
In their outdoor growout pens, these ducks flourish under natural sunlight.
Sunlight streams into the growout pen, highlighting dust motes and the bustling activity of the ducks.
As dusk settles, the growout pens become a place of quiet rest.
Keep moving along now. Easy, easy. Easy now. Slowly, slowly. All right, get those last ones on there.
This humane stunning method ensures the duck is rendered unconscious before further processing. Here, a final process cleans the duck, preparing it for the next stages. Inside the processing plant, automation takes over. After stunning, the ducks are moved to automated plucking machines. In a rapid, efficient sequence, the ducks move through automated plucking machines.
These feathers are meticulously collected.
Once plucked, the feathers are meticulously collected, destined for various uses, from insulation to textiles.
Automated tools perform precise cuts, initiating the evisceration process.
The cleaned ducks then move into automated washing stations. Automated washing stations thoroughly clean the ducks with high-pressure water jets.
With cleaning complete, the ducks are now pristine, ready for the crucial chilling process. Once plucked and eviscerated, the ducks enter a cold, chilling tunnel. The ducks enter a cold, chilling tunnel.
Finally, the processed ducks move along a conveyor to automated labeling machines.
Finally, after extensive processing, the duck products enter the packaging and cold storage area.
From processing to packaging, every step is carefully managed for quality, ensuring that every product reaches its destination in perfect condition. Each part of the duck is carefully packaged. From succulent breasts to flavorful legs, every cut is meticulously prepared and packaged. Once collected, these feathers are compressed into bales, destined for various industries. These compressed bales of feathers, now a valuable byproduct, are then sold to various industries. But for commercial purposes, ducks are primarily valued for their meat and eggs.
From hatchery to market, every step is precise.
In the packaging and cold storage area, automated machinery meticulously sorts and packs the eggs. From here, these products are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and transported to markets, ensuring freshness and quality for consumers. This careful journey from farm to table ensures that every duck product meets the highest standards of quality.
From farm to table, the journey of these ducks is a testament to modern efficiency.
In the vast landscape of modern food production, this facility stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Life finds its way, continuing the endless, beautiful cycle of nature.
As the sun rises, ducks take flight, symbolizing freedom and the wild spirit. In the serene embrace of dawn, life awakens in the tranquil wetland.
Here the cycle completes, a testament to nature's enduring elegance.